In this video, we're diving into how to create recurring tasks in Teamwork.com, a powerful project management tool designed to keep your team organized and productive. If you're looking to streamline your workflows and make sure certain tasks repeat automatically, you're in the right place. Stick around to the end, and I'll show you how to set up these recurring tasks so that your team's daily activities are always on track. Plus, I'll tell you how you can get access to Teamwork.com for completely free with exclusive bonuses, but more on that in a bit. First things first, Teamwork makes creating recurring tasks straightforward. Whether you're managing weekly meetings, daily reports, or even monthly check-ins, recurring tasks save you time by automating repetitive work. To set it up, you'll need to create a task within your project. Once you're inside the project, click on the Task button to create a new task. Name the task and fill in the details. This could be anything from send weekly newsletter to update client files. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you scroll down, you'll see an option to make the task recurring. Toggle the recurring task option, and a drop-down will appear where you can define how often the task should repeat. You can choose from daily, weekly, monthly, or even set a custom recurrence depending on your needs. This feature is great because you're not locked into a set pattern. It's flexible and adaptable to the way you work. Let's say, for example, you want the task to repeat every Friday. You'd set the task to recur weekly, then specify Friday as the day. Teamwork.com will then create a new instance of this task every week on that same day, ensuring it doesn't slip through the cracks. You can even set the task to end after a certain number of occurrences or after a specific date, which is perfect for tasks that only need to repeat for a short time. What's even better is that you can assign these recurring tasks to yourself or to team members. Teamwork automatically adjusts due dates, so your team knows exactly when the next task will be due. This takes the pressure off everyone, letting them focus on more important things without the hassle of manually creating tasks over and over. As you're setting up these tasks, you can also add any relevant dependencies, tags, and priority levels, making sure everything aligns with the broader goals of your project. If you want to ensure that a particular recurring task gets noticed or completed first, just assign a high priority level or make it dependent on other tasks being completed before it. One last thing before we wrap up, don't forget that Teamwork lets you track the progress of your recurring tasks. You can see how many tasks have been completed, which ones are coming up, and get detailed reporting. It's a simple way to ensure nothing gets overlooked. So, if you're ready to start automating your work and create recurring tasks in Teamwork.com, remember that you can access the software for free through the link in the description below. I've got an exclusive offer that gives you a free extended trial so you can test out all these features yourself with no strings attached. That's it. Setting up recurring tasks in Teamwork.com is quick, easy, and will save your team a lot of time. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and check out the link below to grab your free trial of Teamwork.com. Keep your workflow organized and your tasks on track. Give it a try now and watch your productivity soar.